Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elmira Strange and I'm a motivational psychologist and therapeutic coach. And in the last several years, I've been teaching on the topics of mental health, self-development and online business. So if you are looking for the update, new information about working online, how to find your clients, how to be wholesome, mentally healthy and well-balanced before you're giving out your time and energy to other people, you are in the right place. Here we'll make sure that you are good to go and you are updated with the knowledge and the best psychological state that you can have before you start your work. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll be discussing yet another important topic when it comes to online business that is related to confidence. So the question I get asked is how to feel more confident. I feel that I have an imposter syndrome, as if I'm some kind of fraud because I don't have enough knowledge when I work with people. How can I teach them if I'm not sure about my own knowledge and capabilities? Basically, I'm not confident and I feel anxious when it comes to working with people, especially when it's one-to-one work, live through Zoom call and so on. So first of all, what is confidence? Confidence is the feeling or belief that one can have faith in or rely on something or someone. So we can say, in other words, it's unshakable certainty that you can deliver what is expected from you. So certain types of online business, for example, coaching, teaching, making YouTube videos, making posts on Instagram, writing books, and educating people or educating groups or working one-to-one, they're all different business models and they all will require different degree of confidence from you. For example, if you are working one-to-one with your clients, you might feel that you're lacking confidence more than if you were writing posts for them. Why? Because when you're writing posts or writing a book, you have time to research all the answers and present information that you feel is important for them. When you're working with a person one-to-one, you can be thrown on the spot by some question that comes from your client. Suddenly, you feel that you need to have knowledge to be able to answer pretty much any question that would come from your clients. And I get it, it's not easy. So how can we boost our confidence or self-confidence when it comes to working with people? First of all, confidence is gained through practice and experience. The more we do something, the more we research and learn about something, the better we get at it, the more knowledgeable we become. As a result, we become more confident talking about the topic that we're into. If you think about one of your hobbies or interests, the chances are you know so much about it that you can tell people confidently about this thing, whatever that is. For example, my current passion is scuba diving. I've completed quite a few courses and I've done quite a few dives. So now I can talk about it quite confidently to people who are beginners, who are new to it, who don't really know. Sometimes people ask me, but there is not that much to learn. Why are you completing all these courses? What are they all about? And then I discuss that there are many details when it comes to scuba diving, whether they are related to the environment, to underworld, or the sea world, the creatures that live there, and we can learn about them. And of course, we learn about safety of actual diving. Not many people know, for example, that in diving, especially when you go deep, you have to make a safety stop. And this is for the purpose of nitrogen that builds up in our bodies that needs to get dissolved before we get to the surface. Because this is the safety and this is the healthiest approach to do scuba diving. So same with online business. There are many details that you need to learn about. And the main thing is to identify what are you good at and what your expertise is. And then you can build on that. Do you know that most successful entrepreneurs read or listen to books or audiobooks every day? These books are related to self-development, business, and their expertise, their personal expertise. Whatever they are good at, whether it's a copywriting or making new toys or teaching people how to jump with a parachute. Any of these requires a lot of practice, experience and knowledge. And your personal knowledge for your work will come from books and research, from YouTube videos, from blogs, from audiobooks, from podcasts, and from any other information that is relevant to your field. And the second part is from your experience. If you feel you don't have enough experience of, for example, working with people, then gain that experience, even if it means you will have to do a bit of free coaching sessions or free teaching. Sometimes when it comes to discussing the topic on confidence, and especially if it's related to something like social anxiety, a meeting with people, talking to people, one of my advice would be fake it until you make it. So here's another approach. You go and meet with people who you don't know. They see you for the first time, whether it's a Zoom call or online or live interaction. They don't know you, you don't know them. And this is a good thing because they don't know that you're a bit nervous and you feel that you're lacking confidence. In this situation, you can fake it until you make it. Yes, you can pretend to be more confident than you are. It doesn't mean that you have to totally fake it, what you do, when you don't have any knowledge about it. But if it requires just a little bit of confidence, just to get you to the next level, to the next step of your experience, of your practice, then I would suggest give it a go. When you go into the room full of people who would like to get to know you, for example, a lot of us feel a bit anxious. It's interaction, it's live interaction with people who we don't really know. Also, in this case, try to think that you are confident already. Try to think that these people, they don't know you. They don't know that you are a bit anxious right now. Bring the best out in you and start talking to people as if you are quite confident and you know what to ask. Prepare some questions that you would like to ask people. Those icebreakers that will start conversation pretty much with anyone. As with everything else, it all comes down to practice. Practice will give you confidence. Well, I hope you found this video useful. And if you do, please like it and subscribe it if you haven't done it yet. And please put in your comments what you do and what kind of topics you would find interesting to discuss in this channel. See you in my next video.